How to pass MSET 2020, either it may be TS MSET or AP MSET. Get 60 plus out of 160. So working smart is better than working hard. So in this video I am going to show you some smarter tricks to pass MSET 2020. So watch the video completely. Before starting with the video, there is a small request from me. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. One of the best trick is to pass MSET 2020 is to shortlist some important and easy chapters. So in this video I am going to show you some important and easy chapters. If you cover these chapters, you will definitely score 60 plus marks in MSET 2020. So let's start with the mathematics. So in mathematics, start with the easiest chapter, probability. So if you solve probability, you can get 4, 3 or 2 questions. Sometimes they will ask 4 questions or 3 questions, and sometimes they will ask only 2 questions. So then start with the properties of triangle. This is also same. Sometimes they will ask 4 questions, or sometimes they will ask 3 questions, and sometimes they will ask 2 questions. Then straight lines. In straight lines they will ask 3 questions sometimes, or 4 questions or 5 questions. Then going to the circles, in circles also they will ask 3 questions sometimes and 4 questions or 5 questions. Then go for the matrices. It is the most easiest chapter in the mathematics. If you cover matrices, you will get 3 or 4 marks. So playing with the equations, solve quadratic equation. If you solve this chapter, you will definitely get 3 or 4 marks in MSET. Then go for the permutation and combination. This is the very most easy chapter which covers 3 questions in MSET. Then go for the random variables, where you can cover 1, 2 or 3 questions. Then go for the functions unit. It will cover 2 questions, especially g of x and f of x problems. Don't leave them. Then go for the system of circles chapters, by which you can cover 1 or 2 marks in MSET. Then go for the parabola, by which you can cover 2 questions, and then go for ellipse, same 2 questions you will be cover, and the plane, by which you can cover 1 or 2 questions in MSET. Then go for the statistics, playing with the mean, median and mode. Don't leave these. These are the most easiest chapters. You should cover this to pass MSET or to score 60 plus marks in MSET. So by solving this easiest chapter, you can easily score 30 plus marks in the MSET. Now starting with the physics, the many of the students fear about the physics. So don't worry, by solving these units, you can easily get a good marks in physics. In physics, start with the Newton's law of motion chapter, by which you can cover 4, 3 or 2 questions. Then go for the motion in a straight line chapter, by which you can cover 1 or 2 or 3 questions. Then go for the system of particles. Then you can cover 1, 2 or 3 questions. Then go for the oscillation, from which 1 or 3 questions will be given. Then go for the temperature and thermal properties, by which you can cover 1 or 2 or 3 questions. Then go for the units and dimension chapters, by which you can cover 1 or 2 questions. Then go for the gravitation, by which you can cover 2 questions. And waves, by which you can cover 2 questions. And ray optics, by which you can cover 1 or 2 questions. Then go for the physical optics. 1 or 2 questions will be covered from these. So by hearing the name itself, you are going to know that these are the very easiest topics. So don't leave them. Then start with the atom chapters, which covers 1 or 2 questions. Then go for the physical world, which covers 1 or 0 questions. Then for the nuclei, there will be 1 question. And for communication system, there will be 1 question. You try to practice at least 2 to 3 model questions on each subtopic. By that you can get an idea how the pattern of the question is given in the examination. If you want to pass MSET, you must practice 2 to 3 model questions on each subtopic. By solving these easy topics, you can minimum score 17 plus in physics. So this is the minimum marks. The maximum marks may be exceed 20 plus. So now you no need to worry regarding the physics. Just practice these chapters and score best marks. Now we'll start with the chemical life. We'll go for the chemistry. Chemistry is the easiest subject to score good marks in MSET, so don't ignore chemistry. Start with the easiest chapter, atomic structure, by which you can score 2 or 3 marks. Then go for the periodic table. Then you can score 1 or 2 questions. Learn the periodic table. Either you can find from your textbook or go for the search in the YouTube. Then go for the chemical bonding chapter, by which you can cover 2 or 3 questions. Then go for the alkali and earth metals, by which you can cover 1 or 2 questions. Then 3A group elements, which covers 1 or 2 questions. Then 15th group elements, which also covers 1 or 2 questions. Then D and F blocks and coordinate compounds. They cover 1, 2 or 3 questions. Then go for the solution chapter by which you can cover 2 or 3 questions. You try to take screenshot of these chapters. It will be helpful to you when you are going to study. Then start with the chemical equilibrium and polynomials, solid state and surface chemistry and chemical kinematics and hydrogen in its compound and 16th group elements and 17th group elements and 18th group elements and chemistry in everyday's life. All these chapters covers one question from each of them. So don't ignore these. These are the easiest and scoreable chapters. So by solving these chapters, you can easily get 16 plus marks in MSET. So now on doing total, in mathematics we have covered 30 plus questions, and in physics we have covered 17 plus questions, and in chemistry we have covered 16 plus questions. So by this you can easily get 60 plus marks. So just practice these questions. If you have any doubt, just comment below. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and do share these informative videos with your friends and family members who are going to prepare for the MSET 2020, and click on I button and watch my MSET 2020 series. By watching that videos, you can get easily best tips and tricks how to crack MSET 2020. So just click on I button. And you can also join my WhatsApp group for latest updates regarding the MSET 2020. The link is available in the description. You can also watch the videos regarding how to crack MSET in 30 days. I had explained it clearly how to crack MSET in 30 days. Watch these videos by clicking on these icons.